the Brexit headlines are making my head spin at the moment. So let me just ask you about the yield curve first of all. We've got it clearly on the chart. Inversion for the first time since 2008. We know it happened along with the 2s, 10s following it a bit later. What is the UK yield curve inversion telling you? Because interestingly, that happened after we had better than expected inflation data out of the UK as well yesterday.
Quite. So the UK yield curve is less of a consistent indicator than the US. US is the classic, because the UK, especially with the quirky nature of the UK market with demand from pension funds for longer term debt, has never been that reliable. For example, in the 1990s, the yield curve was nearly always inverted. So, but what does it mean? Just mathematically, it means that rates are much more likely to fall than rise. So you could say the UK market is pricing in a higher probability of no deal, for example, the UK gilt market, that is. That's one way of looking at it. But generally, there's just a scramble for duration right now. And if you step back a bit, 10-year gilts at less than 0.5%, what are you going to do with that income stream of 0.5% as a longer-term investor? Nothing. But the quant, the macro funds will look at the capital gains you can make from short-term trading gilts, and certainly they have been substantial.
What's your call on, I mean, if the bond market is pricing in a better chance of a no deal, what about the FX market? What's your call on sterling in terms of dollars and in terms of euro pound as well?
So we have to open up. We've been long and wrong on sterling. So not all our investments are based on just politics and Brexit. We've seen sterling as undervalued. We still think it is undervalued longer term. But obviously, conventional wisdom and politics are dominating right now. Look, we think sterling has discounted no deal and uncertainty, but look, the trend clearly is for weaker sterling, so you can't fight that right now. But longer term, we see good value in sterling, and the sterling is a mean reverting currency within a trend. So look, should there be some clarity, we can see sterling coming back.